Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we are going to look at LyveCom, a tool that helps you to create shoppable user-generated content really fast. And if you are a business owner, marketer, or content creator, you know how important user-generated content is for selling product online. This tool makes it very easy and turn that content into something that people can actually buy from. In this video, I will explain how LyveCom works, what it is useful, and also how you can get it at a lower price for a lifetime deal through AppSumo. So make sure you stay until the end of this video. So first, what is LyveCom? Basically, it lets you to take images and post it from your customers and turn them into shoppable content. So when someone sees it, they can click and buy directly. But before LyveCom, this process was very complicated. You needed designers or developers to make it work. But now you can do it in minute. It is just drag and drop, very easy to understand, and works for almost any platform like Instagram, TikTok, or your website. And in this time, LyveCom has improved a lot. They added better template, automation, and analysis. So not only you can make content quickly, but you can also track how well it is performing. For example, you can see which posts are getting the most click or sales. This is very useful for improving your marketing strategy. Even beginners can use it without the technical skill. Another big advantage is time saving. Imagine you have hundreds of customer posts. Normally, you would have to manually edit, tag, and upload them every time. LyveCom automate most of that. You just upload and connect your content, and it creates shoppable posts in minute. So this is perfect if you run an online store or manage social media for your brand. Of course, every tool has its pros and cons. The pros are fast content creation, easy to use, automated tagging and analysis. And the con side is that if you need very advanced design customization, it might feel a bit limited. But for most users, it's more than enough. Now let's talk about the pricing. On the official website, LyveCom has the subscription plan, and if you pay monthly or yearly, it can be expensive over the time. But here is the good thing for you. Through AppSumo, you can just pay once and you can use it for forever. So no need any monthly fees. It is ideal if you plan to use LyveCom regularly for shoppable content. You save a lot of time and get lifetime access. So LyveCom in this time is a powerful tool for creating shoppable UGC content quickly and easily. It has template, automation, and analytics, and it works for beginner, and it has a lot of pros. But remember, buying through AppSumo gives you a lifetime access at a much lower price than paying monthly. Okay, so this was the video for today. If you think this video was helpful, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.